Take a moment to check out the 2016 Buick Cascada. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Punch it up. Get into the Cascada for a spirited, agile drive and technology that keeps you connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, supercharged engine, navigation system, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps. Drive a little pleasure into your life. Drive a Cascada.